Hi, I'm Poke Violon with Stellar Fishing Tackle. Today with my new haircut, woo! I usually have my cap on, but my wife, who's behind the camera, saved me 25 bucks by not going to I was gonna say beauty salon, we don't do that, going to the barber. I haven't been to the barber in 30 years. So anyway, I'm with Stellar Fishing, and today I'm just gonna show you the breakdown on buying and selling fishing hooks. We just got this package in. This package right here would cost you if you decided you wanted to start selling fishing hooks, this package right here would cost you about $340. And what it is, it's circle hooks. And anybody that knows what a circle hook, it's just a regular circle hook. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6s. And what I did was I ordered 1,000 of each. There's the 6s. And they come inside these packages, they come 100 to a pack. So what we're gonna do, here's the 4s. Anyway, there's 3. As you can tell, when the package gets smaller, the 2s, the 3s. And this one fell out from somewhere. I'll just size match it. This is the 4s. Now what this is, when you look at your cost of $360, when we package fishing hooks, we package 6 to a pack. So right here, this is 6,000 hooks, which means you're gonna be able to make 1,000 of these packs if you're gonna sell them to a local fishing tackle store or sell them online. Now, so you've got a cost of $360 right here. 1,000 of these, there's 3x4 bags with a push hose so they can hang it on their display. These run about 3 cents a piece when you buy 1,000 of them. And then these cards, and we can specially make these, if you go down in the description and you look at our email or give us a call, we can make these little 3x4 cards for you. And these will run you about 2 cents a piece, if you get like 1,000 or more of them. And all you do, as an example, if you come over here, we're completing this order, and this is just one order for today. These are 5/0 hooks, 6/0, 7/0, different ones here. But so what we're doing is we're completing this order, and it's real simple. Is the last thing I was waiting to fill were the circle hooks for the 4s. Here's your 4s right here. And you open the package. We're not going to do a bunch of these. We're only going to do one. Kind of dump them out. You take your card. You got to put a little bend to it so it fits in there. Slide it to the bottom. Right there, there's 6 in there, and there you go. Now, with these circle hooks that are all on this table, starting from the smallest hooks to the biggest hooks, typically you sell these for, like, this is a 4/0. You would sell these for $1 to the vendor, to the bait and tackle store. The 1s, 2s, and 3s are 90 cents. That's what we sell them for. The 4s, 5s, and 6s are $1. So on the average, you're going to make about 95 cents on each of these. And like we did the math, you're gonna have 1,000 of them. So that's $950 that you'll eventually make for 360 plus 30 plus 2. You're gonna spend about $410 to get 1,000 circle hooks to be able to put in the stores. And if you just get 2 or 3 accounts or put them online and sell them here and there, makes a big difference. So that's what I wanted to show y'all today, is the numbers on buying and selling circle hooks. And my name is Poke Violon. Visit our site, stellarfishingtackle.com, or hit the subscribe button for future videos on how to buy and sell fishing tackle. So thank you very much.